DIY, modern builder style. Now, today we're going to borrow a concept from music. What we're doing is we're going to remix some chairs. So, grabbing some supplies. Something springy. All right. This is good to go. Hey, good day, good folks. Agent Sasco again, A-Channel, so you know what time it is, right? DIY, modern builder style. Now, today we're going to borrow a concept from music. What we're doing is we're going to remix some chairs, so grabbing some supplies, fix things, let's go. All right, Andre.
Sasco.
Oh, go on.
Yeah.
All right, I have a project. I want to remix some chairs. I have some plastic chairs, I want to spray them. Them kind of have a little texture already, so I don't think we need sandpaper. We just want a nice spray paint to give them some coverage. So.
I have the thing for the job. We can go to hall 2 and I can show you what we have around there. All the spray paint. What color are you thinking of?
More something nice and springy, and remember it's plastic. As I said, I don't know if it's white. We need primer.
No, you don't need a primer. You just need the spray paint because you're just recoating it, correct?
Well, yeah, just covering the white. But what if it's like when would you need primer then?
Well, primer is just when you need it, like when it's like a normal piece of plastic, like nothing that is not painted on it. Then you need the paint and primer or just the primer alone.
But it's a white thing, you know, it's a plastic white chair.
Right, but it's already painted, it's already have a coat.
All right, well, all the better, one less step. So I think about...
I have the right thing for you, Sasco. Here is this one.
Yeah, I think this will work. Let me see.
And that color would match the decor that you're going to be using it with?
Well, yeah, I think I'm going to put the chairs in the garden, so this would have worked nice.
Right, and it'll bring up the garden a little bit more.
So, all right, coverage-wise now, 2 chairs, how much one of them will cover?
20 square feet.
All right, so let me see. One would I do a chair, but now just get 2 for sure.
Sure, 2 will cover all the chairs.
Yeah, man, and then 2 for backup. All right, I think I'll read that.
All right.
Boom. All right, so Andre, I don't need sandpaper, but let's say for another project, what grade sandpaper would I need or what?
I can suggest the 400 or 600. One is a smoother and one is a little bit rougher. So I'll let you start with the 400, which is a little rougher.
And then you just fine tune it with the 600.
The 600 will smooth it down.
All right, and this will create a nice surface for the paint.
Right, that is when you use a 600, because you're smoothing everything to make it have a smoother finish when you're painting or spray painting.
All right, good to go. All right. Yeah, I think I'll read this, yes?
All right then. So I can go to the cashier now, all right?
All right. May I get them a free today? All right, so here we are back home and we have our stuff, we have a chair, but the other one is already disassembled for spraying because I don't want to get the paint on the legs, and I never wanted to tape them on, but you would do what you need to do. These are already prepped, so they're nice and clean, no dust anywhere. And yeah, you need your safety stuff, so you need gloves, eye protection, and mask. You're used to that by now. And what else? I think I'll read that, so let's go. All right. This is good to go. All right, guys, make sure when you're using these products, you read the instructions, take the time to do so. It will definitely affect your results. So this says whole can 10 to 18 inches. All right, from the surface of spraying and apply light coats, and it says shake well before spraying. So, oh no, the can, sorry. All right, guys, so we're done our application. Now it's time to allow them to dry. Can says 24 hours, so see you tomorrow them time. So, welcome back, guys. Here we are, and here they are, remixed, and I like them a lot. We got a nice even distribution of the color, thanks to my expert technique. I mean, just remember 15 to 18 inches. Remember all the steps, we'll post them at the end of the video. Until next time, Agent Sasco, Modern Builder. See you for another DIY project, H&L style, man.